guys, we got another video here on a swing case, an undercover swing case I've wanted for so long. Don't know, like, I've been wanting one of these forever, but finally they're like $200 at least, and I got this one for something I just like, yeah, like freaking $65. It's crazy. Some guy had it and he sold his truck, and he's had it for, as you can tell, a couple of years. It's very old and still all wrapped up and everything. So we're gonna try to open her up. And this is the 101D, as in for driver's side, for the 9907. So as soon as I saw it, I was like, I have to get it. This is what I wanted, because I'm tired of keeping all my everything, jumper cables, toe straps, and everything in my little baggie. So I'm gonna get it on here, and it shouldn't be, I've heard it only takes a couple minutes, so let's start. Okay, so we got her out. Everything's brand new. That's like really just a scratch. I'm not really worried about it. But here's instructions. You can read that if you want. But yeah, it's kind of cool. I got this the locker thing, so you don't have to use like a lock on it or anything like that, to make sure that no one gets in it. But yeah, let's see. Show warranty stuff. There's all that. That's it. And then here's the hardware for the screws and stuff. So let's get her all wired up real quick. I'm trying to do some on my lunch, so might have to do this later, but we'll see. Okay, so the first thing you do is get these little rubber nut thingy cover things off. I had to cut mine off. I think they're just like so cold that they got stuck on there. And I'm just gonna do it. Everything's 11 millimeters, so you just put those on. And this is gonna get you set up so you can actually mount it. So, and then because after that, we're just gonna impact them in real quick to these spots. And yeah. So it seems pretty straightforward, because it kind of almost just sits on the tie down. You might maybe move it up, but it kind of hits this piece right here, but on my tonneau cover, but it's not a big deal. And yeah, so we'll get it all lined up. I already kind of got a marker where the bottom one goes, so yeah, just gonna screw it in there and screw it in here. So that's it. So once you get those bolts all in, it's really easy. I mean, the only problem I had was I was like, oh, it's not going on. It won't snap in, because this little thing where it connects to right here, kind of like how it is on this side. Right there, right where it hangs down, it clips in. It's supposed to clip into that, but it would hit. So I had to just unscrew or unclip it. But other than that, it fits perfect. It's awesome. Locks in. You can do a lock right here, or you can just do this, which it makes it just so you can't pull it up and take it out, because usually you can pop it up and take it out if you want. So that's super nice. It comes with the keys right here, so you can lock it and whatever in the top, so you can pull it out. So, and then if you want it, you put it in. You just put it in right there, and that's it. And same thing here, you pull it out, lock her up. You can take this little cubby out, super nice. But and then lock her up. Now she's locked, and you can just lock her right here and whatnot, and then keep drinks or whatever you want on it, and then push it back in. Super easy, super nice. I'm excited I got it for super cheap, and I love it. And let's close the tailgate. Okay, so we got back home. It's kind of dark, sorry, but here she is. It's pretty nice. I loaded up some stuff in here, so jumper cables, toe strap, and my hitch and everything. And I still got some more room, but I gotta organize it and tie it down more. But so it's locked up, can't get in it, and all I gotta do is shut it. There you go. And then and shut that. Done. Easy. Super nice, and a lot better than just a little jumpy bag that never closed because it was so full. And so you just pull on it. All I gotta say is though, it hits that, which is not a big deal. Same thing with this. It just hits my tunnel cover. But other than that, I'm like no big issues. And it fits snug. Looks pretty sweet. And it doesn't stick too much. It's probably like, maybe 6 or 7 inches from the wheel well out. Maybe, yeah, not too much, but definitely if you need to put your 4-wheeler in here or something like that, or use the bed, you might need to just take it off. But with this, and then you can get a little lock too, you can put right there. But yeah, I love it. It looks nice. It looks clean. I'll definitely put a link down below to grab you yourself one.